What's up, tech lovers? Foldable phones are the hot trend, and 2025 is turning into a game-changing year for these futuristic gadgets. But with so many foldable phones out there, which one is worth your hard-earned cash? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're diving headfirst into the best foldable smartphones of 2025, and I'm on a mission to help you pick the ultimate folding phone for your needs. These phones aren't just about style. Oh no, they're packed with some serious tech power under those sleek, foldable screens. So buckle up, because we're about to unfold, see what I did there? The future of mobile tech. And remember, I'll be linking all the phones I mentioned today in the description below, so you can check out the juicy details after the video. If you find this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech-filled goodness. Alright, let's kick things off with the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which might just be Google's best shot at dominating the foldable market. Here's why. This phone is the first foldable that feels, well, normal. No awkward layouts or weird compromises here. The outer screen is exactly like the one on the regular Pixel 9, so you're not getting a watered-down version when the phone's folded. But when you open this thing up, wow, it's like carrying a mini tablet in your pocket. The screen is huge. And with Google's AI smarts baked in, this phone becomes your personal assistant. Whether it's enhancing your photos with its mind-bending reimagined tools or helping you manage your day with Google Assistant, this phone feels like a glimpse into the future. And let's talk about the camera for a second. Google's always been known for solid cameras, and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold doesn't disappoint. The zoom is incredible, giving you crisp shots even from a distance, though I'd say it's still not the best in the foldable world. The big letdown? No water resistance and fewer features compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. But if you're looking for a slim design with great AI features, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold should definitely be on your radar. Next up, the OnePlus Open. And boy, does this phone pack a punch without breaking the bank. OnePlus calls it a flagship killer for a reason, and I have to agree. The design is sleek, the performance is top tier, and the cameras, especially for selfies, are fantastic. Now, if you're the kind of person who loves to stand out, you've got to check out the OnePlus Open Apex Edition. It comes in this jaw-dropping crimson shadow color, and get this, 1 terabyte of storage. That's right, 1 terabyte. You could download movies, games, and probably half the internet, and still have room to spare. Performance-wise, this phone is fast like lightning fast. The inside and outside displays are sharp, bright, and buttery smooth. And the price? Way lower than what you'd expect for a phone with this much firepower. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The OnePlus Open doesn't come with water resistance, and you won't find features like Samsung's S Pen support, which might be a deal breaker if you're looking for those extras. But if you're after a great all-rounder at a lower price point, OnePlus has knocked it out of the park with this one. Speaking of Samsung, let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, the most feature-packed foldable phone you can get your hands on. Seriously, this phone is like a Swiss Army knife for productivity. Want to run multiple apps at once? No problem. Need a mini laptop for on-the-go work? Done. The Z Fold 6 is all about maximizing your productivity with its multitasking capabilities. You can open apps side by side, drag and drop between windows, and even take notes with the S Pen. It's like having a tiny office in your pocket. And for all the content creators out there, this phone's cameras are a dream. Whether you're snapping photos of your lunch or capturing the perfect sunset, Samsung's camera modes deliver sharp, vibrant photos every time. Here's where it gets even better. The Fold 6 supports Samsung's S Pen, which turns this phone into a drawing tablet. Artists and note-takers, you're gonna love this. But here's my one gripe. The cover screen is a bit too narrow, which can feel a little cramped when you're trying to use it one-handed. But the raw power and performance this phone brings to the table? Absolutely undeniable. It's expensive, sure, but if you want a phone that can do it all, this is it. Now, for those of you who prefer a flip-style phone, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is your go-to choice. Think of it as the Z Fold 6's cooler, more compact sibling. The Z Flip 6 is the ultimate blend of nostalgia and cutting-edge tech. You get that satisfying snap when you close it, and when it's open, you've got a beautiful display that's perfect for everything from watching videos to scrolling through your favorite apps. Samsung has really honed the durability of its flip design, so you don't have to worry about the hinge giving out after a few thousand flips. Plus, Samsung packed this phone with some awesome AI features. You can customize your phone's look, automate tasks, and even get AI writing assistance. It's fun, useful, and powerful all in one compact device. The Z Flip 6 may not have the massive productivity features of the Z Fold, but for those looking for a sleek, reliable flip phone that's easy to carry, it's a top contender. Now, let's take a trip down memory lane with the Motorola Razr Plus 2024. If you're looking for a phone that's all about style, this one's for you. Motorola nailed the design with its larger cover display, bright color options, and some really cool shortcuts that make it a breeze to use. Checking notifications? Easy. Controlling music? No problem. You can even run some apps right on the outer display without flipping it open. Motorola really leaned into the fun factor here. It's not the most durable phone, though Samsung still has the edge when it comes to build quality, but if you want something that's different, that stands out in a crowd and is just fun to use, the Razr Plus 2024 is a solid choice. And can we talk about the satisfaction of snapping it shut after a call? It's a simple pleasure, but one that never gets old. Alright, so which foldable phone should you get? If you want the ultimate productivity machine, go for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. If you're all about style and nostalgia, the Motorola Razr Plus 2024 will turn heads. But for me, the real winner here is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. It's compact, stylish, and packed with power. Whether you're a multitasker, a content creator, or just someone who wants a phone that's fun to use, the Z Flip 6 ticks all the boxes. Plus, it's more affordable than the Fold, making it a great option for anyone who wants to dip their toes into the foldable phone world without going all in on price. No matter which foldable phone you choose, 2025 is shaping up to be a killer year for this tech. These phones are no longer just flashy gadgets, they're practical, powerful, and ready to take on your everyday needs. So, which foldable has caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.